everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let me give a tour of our student apartment to you. Let's go. So we are currently living in a studio apartment, which means this room that you see here is our living room, our bedroom, our kitchen, our washroom, and basically our whole life. So let me show you this. So as soon as you enter into the apartment from the main door, you come into this space, which is sort of like our living room come bedroom area. Let me show you the bedroom first. So this is our bed. It's slightly smaller than a queen size bed, honestly. Not the best size, but still I think pretty comfortable. I think for me and my husband to sleep in. This is the nightstand for me, so I sleep on this side of the bed, and this is my husband's nightstand, so he sleeps on this side of the bed. We've tried to not keep anything extra on the bed at all, just a duvet and the two pillows because the bed is already small. We didn't want it to load it up with a lot. Here we have like a small night lamp. This is what we use when we are working in the night and we don't want to switch on the big lights. And then we have our water bottles and just like the charging cable, that kind of station here. And yeah, that's the bedroom. Now for the living room. So this I honestly really like because as you can see, we have a really big French window here which sends in just the most beautiful light throughout the day. And then on this side, we have the couch. This couch here is actually a sofa cum bed, so we can open it up if we have friends coming over or anybody coming over, which is just wonderful and super convenient for hosting. We also have this countertop, which I think is just like this really nice vibe that I like in apartments when there is an open kitchen connected with a countertop. I love that, and these lights are really nice, warm and cozy as well. We were honestly like so scared about getting into a furnished apartment because I was like, I don't know what kind of furnishings we were going to get, but we got this really nice neutral couch. It's exactly the kind of color that I like, so I'm very happy about that. On this wall here, we've added a few pictures of me and Paritosh. These photos were a gift from a team member of mine from Hustle Post Academy, Anmol. He gifted this to us like maybe about a year and a half ago. And they're just so pretty. They really just add life to this little corner here. On the opposite side of the couch, we have this little unit. There is a TV here, which we honestly haven't been watching a lot, but it's good to have. And then there's a small table here just to put all of the small knickknacks that we need. We have this Wi-Fi router. We have a catch-all, so we keep all of our metro card, our house keys and everything on this. Then we have the heating unit and the portable air conditioner because in Lyon, it gets both cold and hot throughout the year. So both of these things are much needed. The opposite side, right in front of our bed, is where we have the wardrobe. As you can see, the space is not a lot. There's just two of these sections for us to keep everything that we own. So it's not the most comfortable. I'll show you my side of the cupboard. So I've used this section basically to hang all of my coats. Here is where I have all of my makeup, etc. And in the drawers below, I've kept all of my clothes, etc. Yeah, it's a little tight. And this is our kitchen, which honestly I love because there's a full French window here as well. Sends in a lot of light when we're doing all of our cooking and just makes the cooking process a lot more fun and enjoyable. This is the counter space where I do all of the prep work for cooking. Because the space is not a lot, I've tried to keep the countertop very, very empty, like with absolute just bare minimum. Space below the countertop is where I've kept all of my masalas. It's been such a challenge to find masalas here. So I'm making do with the bare minimum. And then this is where I have all of the knickknacks like the spoons, the knives, all the things that you need to do all of your cooking. And this is our dishwasher, which is honestly the best thing to have. We don't have any help here. We are doing all of the cooking, cleaning, everything ourselves. So all these robots have been really helpful in making our life easy. On this side, we have the microwave and the oven. So that makes baking and heating khana very, very easy. And here at the bottom section, I have kept all of our extra like groceries. So we have like masala packets that are not in those glasses yet. And then some additional things like extra rice, extra Maggi packets and those kind of things that we need to keep. On the bottom section, we have the cooking utensils. And yeah, that's basically our pantry section. Here we have dal, rice and salt and some kitchen towel. And on this section, I've kept all of our lunch boxes, all the glasses, etc. And then we have the fridge here and the most beautiful French window you can ever ask for to give all the light to your kitchen. So we don't have a dining table in this house. So this countertop here is serving as a dining table and a multi-purpose table currently. So we do all of our cooking here, put all the food here and then sit on these chairs and eat. We also sometimes sit and study here, take a lot of our calls here. Our coffee machine is here, so we drink coffee. There's all of these beautiful lights which add a little bit of charm. We've also kept a candle. So yeah, this is our multi-purpose work slash eat space. So that's it for our apartment tour. I hope you got a fair idea about what you can get for 1200 euros in a city like Lyon. We're in a really nice part of town, so we are definitely paying for that as well. Along with that, this apartment is also fully furnished, so you kind of have to pay for that too, right? Yeah, so that's it. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.